everyone, today we're going to make roasted Cornish game hens. And for this recipe I have 2 Cornish game hens that are about 1.5 pounds each, 3 cloves of garlic that you're going to want to at least cut in half, or you can mince it, about 1/4 of an onion cut up into large pieces, about 1/2 of a stalk of celery that's cut into large pieces, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and then you're going to want between 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of any poultry seasoning. If you have a preference, whatever you like is up to you. And then you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And then you're also going to need a roasting pan to go along with that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take all of our seasoning. So I've got the poultry seasoning, the basil, our pepper, and our salt. And then you're just going to want to mix this together really well. Alright, then all we're going to do is we're going to take our olive oil and we're just going to rub both of the hens down with the olive oil. Make sure you get in all the, between the legs and the thighs and all over. And then you're also going to want to put just a little bit on the back side. And on these Cornish game hens, I did rinse them and then pat them dry. Alright, then once you're done with that, then you're just going to take your herb mixture and you're just going to want to rub it in. So just try to split it pretty evenly between the 2 birds. If you feel that you have the outside covered pretty well and you've got a little bit left over, you can put that into the body cavity as well. Alright, once you've rubbed the herbs in, then all you're going to do is you're going to transfer these over to your roasting pan. And you don't have to, but I typically put tin foil underneath just to help make it easier to clean. Then all you're going to do is you're just going to put some of the celery and the onions and the garlic into each cavity. And then all you're going to do is you're going to bake these at 375 degrees for about an hour. And you do want to place them breast side up. And then you want to make sure that when they're finished that they read about 165 degrees and make sure that they are completely cooked. Alright, I just took the Cornish game hens out of the oven. And just a reminder, you want them to be 165 degrees, or if you're cut into them slightly, you want to make sure that the liquid that comes out is clear. Then all you're going to want to do is put a loose tent with foil over them. Just kind of like this, just kind of gently set them around it. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and then you can serve. So, hope you enjoy!